Ayun naman, so what's the most challenging thing, being a startup founder and doing the startup?
Well, the most challenging is kasi what we're trying to do is something relatively new, wala pang ganito. So, we have to build the trust and the usage kasi madami ngayon parang referral lang maghanap ng kasambahay, agency. So, this is something new. We're trying to build the use of the app, the use of technology to find domestic help. So, it's something that we're trying, medyo challenging for us to convert sila na
Yeah,
okay itong technology
yeah.
for this function to find the kasambahay.
Yeah, actually most startups din talaga ano kasi introducing something new, na,
Yeah,
ah,
disrupting or disrupting the ano,
disrupting
eh.
tsaka digital, and something nga na maybe unfamiliar pa yung mga or hindi kumbaga may nakasanayan na yung mga kasambahay tsaka yung mga homeowners. So,
Exactly.
really introducing something new.
Yeah, hopefully yung new generation mas open sila to technology,
Possible, yeah.
'di ba?
Ah,
Matuturuan nila yung parents nila na okey yan
yun
ma
din, yun din. What's the most challenging thing naman in doing a startup or in kumbaga sa operations ni Burkett maybe, so ano yung parang challenge as a startup?
So the challenge with startup company kasi, I think it's a general answer pero it's the competitors eh. So hindi lang kasi si Berkit yung nag-iisang marketplace. So we really have to present ano ba yung pinagkaiba namin sa ibang marketplace. And of course, lahat naman ng marketplace may unique capability when it comes to mga users nila. Pero I think it's one of the challenges Berkit is facing.
Kumbaga
Accessibility, yeah, and the competitors itself.
But kumbaga defining the edge at parang talagang siguro maano, ma-emphasize sa mga potential customers yung value proposition talaga, value talaga for them that they will gain. What's the most challenging thing as in building the startup, also maybe in building the product?
Okay. Una is yung mga tao talaga. Siyempre kami, ilan lang ba kami, siyempre ang hirap din mag-operate nun. Tapos yung another one is nag-start kami, yung pinaka-challenging namin is nag-start kami sa technology. Instead of looking at the problem, we created the technology first. So isa yun sa mga mali ng karamihang startups. And yun, na-experience nga namin yung ano, yung pagkakamali na yun. Kaya ayun, maraming changes kaming kailangang gawin. Kasi nalaman namin yung main problem pala talaga, eh. Kaya ayun,
Pero that's true like in the pipeline of doing a startup, in building a startup, mahalaga to really understand the problem of the
oo,
customer and
yeah.
you will design the tech para talaga ma-solve
So,
iyon.
solution. Kami
Um,
nandun sa solution side na kasi kami agad. Yun yung starting namin kaya parang yun yung naging challenging sa'min.
but it's naman, it's a loop naman, usually. It's a loop
Yeah,
naman.
sabagay.
Startup ay sanay talaga sa iteration loop na
I agree, I agree.
what's the most challenging thing naman?
Challenging thing would be yun din, figuring out, yung mga profits at risk of it. With a startup kasi yun yung parang pinaka-main, thing that you want to, always improve, always iterate. Pagka may mga bagong things that you can, use to improve with sa, product, then, use it. So yun yung
Yeah.
for me, yun yung pinaka-challenging. But of course, as a startup din, a small company, you will have to really like work hard to look for clients. Kasi
Mm.
may pay that you've got clients. Pero once you have good product and then a word of mouth,
Word of mouth.
yeah, that helps it. Or talaga on the problem solving.
I really like this I mean especially yung product development. Kumbaga lahat ng yan nag-i-intertwine, product development, customer feedback, getting more clients. Kasi once you have a good product nga and na nanggaling sa isang customer na maaaring yun din yung hinahanap ng ibang customer, magre-replicate yan ng
Project kami, ng mga existing customers kami right now from word of mouth, referral ng isang merchant na magamit ko.
Um, what's the most challenging thing in launching or in building a startup?
Yeah. Launching, there's so many challenging things, but I guess the biggest challenge is really understanding the problem and at the same time understanding the customer. No, we started this. We really needed to talk to our users to understand what are their pain points. That's something we have to really adjust. It's not you're not an expert from day one. We have to start fresh, and that's how that's the trickiest part. I would say it's not something taught in schools. So yun.
Answer na yun actually, parang you need to learn pa. When you start a startup, there's much more to learn.
Yes, that's good.
What's the most challenging thing in doing the startup? In general din, in doing a startup.
Okay. Maraming challenges sa startup, okey? Ang pinaka-challenges sa'kin is where, yung may sakit ka pero you need to still do what you have to do. Okey, gano'n yun yung pinakamabigat na challenges kasi pagdating sa mga technical, sa mga development, we can adapt naman. Pero kapag yung medyo hindi na kaya ng katawan mo, pero kailangan mo pa ring gawin. So yun yung pinakamabigat na challenges na na-encounter ko, so far.
Yeah, as an entrepreneur nga naman 'no, and as a leader of the startup din 'no, parang kailangan talagang sa'yo talaga nakasalalay.
Dedication,
Mm.
kailangan dedication, perseverance, and di mo magagawa may sakit.
Ano naman, what's the most challenging thing being a startup founder and doing this innovative product?
Aside sa pagkuha ng capital,
Sige, okay.
aside sa pagkuha ng capital yung stress na kailangan mong i-handle yung mga setbacks 'no, tapos nag-iisa ka pa. Although may mga co-founders man ako ngayon, pero still yung majority nung life ng startup ko ay nag-iisa lang ako.
Hmm.
So, sobrang hirap i-handle yung stress na yun. Pangalawa ay paghahanap ng core team.
Ng
Core team,
core team, okay.
yes.
Hmm.
Yung core team na merong same philosophy, same mindset sa'yo, na tutulong talaga na mag-grow yung startup. Sobrang hirap makatulong.
So nag-start ka na mag-isa ka lang, ikaw nag-invent, ikaw nagbebenta, ikaw
Lahat.
nagma-manufacture 'no?
Lahat.
So 'pag may core team ka, ano hinahanap mo? May sales ba, ganun, may business dev, may
Yes.
production ba, ano pa nakikita mo sa core team?
Ang nakikita ko sa core team, primarily finance.
Finance, okay.
Kasi kailangan natin sa startup yung malinis yung finances natin, in terms of taxes natin, in terms of regulations 'no. Pangalawa, marketing, sobrang importante ng marketing. I think pangatlo o pang-apat na si R&D.
Okay.
Well,
Nabuo naman na yung product,
oo.
available na siya, may mga
Oo.
bumibili na nga, di ba, may gumagamit, eh.
Kumbaga parang speaking from an engineering perspective, kahit ako na gustong-gusto ko lang magbuo na ng magbuo,
Oo.
kasi lang mag-isip. Kung gusto kong mabuo yung startup, kailangan slow down muna. Kumbaga ilaan sa iba. Diba? Kumbaga kailangan ibahin yung mindset mo ngayon na kailangan mo mabuhay, kailangan makabenta, kailangan makahanap ng pondo.
Yeah. Baka may nakikinig nito 'no, are you open ba to angel investor?
Yes,
Ayan,
yes
so
please.
ayan, baka may nakikinig nito, angel investor, people in finance or maybe business dev or sales na gustong, to work with, Hive Energy PH. So ayan. What's the most challenging thing doing the startup?
Ayun, siyempre, definitely, I believe, it's pretty much the same naman for, most startups, no? So, even though na sabihin natin na, ayun nga, you have a novel idea and you know that there's this problem that you're trying to solve. So, the most challenging thing for me personally is that, how you would keep your startup running, because at the end of the day, if you will not be able to sustain yung startup nyo, then kahit nandyan yung demand, kahit nandyan yung need, and kahit alam mong gusto mong i-solve yung problem na to, then challenge ka pa rin kasi may mga people ka pa rin, eh, so you need to pay them, you need to be able to sustain them.
Wow, very ano rin, very
Yeah.
kumbaga as a leader din kasi of the startup,
Yeah.
eh, di ba?
Ah.
Ayun.